A certified child passenger safety technician will meet with you one-on-one. Inspections typically are between 15 and 30 minutes, but vary in length depending on caregiver needs. A technician will check the car seat for recalls from the manufacturer, any damage to the seat, and also verify that it's the correct fit for your child. A technician will also check the current installation of the car seat and help caregiver with any adjustments needed. A technician assists with the proper harnessing and answers any questions that the caregiver may have. A couple of other things to be aware of. Many inspections are now available virtually with the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and are also available by appointment only. Also, not all public safety organizations such as fire departments or EMS have certified technicians on staff. Best practice is to ask before arriving. And remember, your child matters, their car seat does too.